grasped them, no, they never saw it coming. Exceeded expectations, I like being number one, and it seems that I turned out to be better, better than they thought I'd be. Better, better. I flew right past them, no, they never saw it coming. Exceeded expectations, I like being number one, and it seems that I turned out to be better, better than they thought I'd be. Better than ever.
I had the will to succeed ever since I was a seed. Was born to compete, bred to fight and never sleep. Up working all night, cause being lazy makes you weak. In the game of life, everybody plays for keeps. They were sleeping on my skills and making music was a waste of time. Told me give it up and that I wasn't good enough to rhyme. I ignored the chatter, I just focused on what mattered. Working hard at getting better, crafting rhyming patterns. It's magic when I'm on the stage, how I control a crowd. You either have it or you don't. Not even I can show you how. If they can only see me now, they probably turn the other way. Pretend they didn't know me, wouldn't have no shit to say. Might look like Suge Knight, but I'm not gangster with it. I killed them all with kindness, confused them how I did it. I never called in sick, ain't never took no days off. You can't be taking plays off if you wanna make the playoffs.